Hi, my name is Tony, and I'm from the US. And I've been looking around to see where I can do my hair transplant. I looked around in Turkey, and I saw plenty of companies to do the hair transplant with. I did not feel comfortable at the beginning with most of the companies because they were like their sales strategy was more about business than actually caring about the patient. But when I talked to Dr. Ahmed with the long hair, I saw how honest he is, and he only do one surgery a day, which made me more comfortable about getting comfortable with doing the surgery with him, since all the care and all the attention is going to be on me. And quite honestly, whenever I did the surgery, it was very comfortable, very easy, did not feel any pain. And today is my second day, no pain at all. And today I did my wash. It was very easy, very instructive. It tells you exactly what to do and what to expect. And it was very friendly and very always, anytime I have a question, he answers my questions, no matter what time it is.